So here's how to invite friends on Temu. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to go to your Temu account, and once you are logged into your Temu account, now here you have to click on the U at the bottom. Once you click on it, now here you have to scroll down and go to the settings, and once you go to the setting, now here you have to change your country to the United States. After selecting your country, go back and here search for the free gifts. Now here you have to click on the pick a gift option at the top, or you can select any of the products given below. After selecting your product, now here you have to click on the confirm gift and add an address option at the bottom, and once you click on it, now here it will give you an option to add a new address, and click on it. Here you have to enter your address details. Once you have successfully added your address details, now it will show you this page. Here you have to select as many products as you want. You can select 5 products, and then it will appear this card, and here you have to select any random card. After that, it will show you this invite option. You have to click on this to invite your friends and family, and then you have to click on the copy link option to copy the link and send to your friends and family to invite them. So this is how you can invite friends on Temu.